All right, so I'm gonna go over my Omoplata Defense that's been featured in a few of my videos. It's not my first go-to, but it is a very effective defense. So let's just say he gets me into Omoplata. Doesn't really matter how he gets me into it, but he gets me into it. So what I wanna do is I wanna bring him from his side to his back. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my far leg, and I'm gonna sit it right to his butt and his hip. This leg, my right leg, is gonna post out, and all I'm gonna do is kind of shoulder fling him over my body, roll him over my body. So real slow, boom. Now what I need to do to come up into him, to stop him from turning into me, is switch my hips, come up, and now I can start to wrestle into him. So let's break that down a little bit more. So again, it doesn't matter how he gets me into the Omoplata. What I don't want is for him to start turning and getting me to roll. Now the first defense that you learn that's probably the best is to jump over, but most people will drape their arm across your back so you can't jump over, like I can't jump over to the side. So what I wanna do is I wanna get him flat on his back and I wanna be here. So now what I'm gonna do, take my left leg or my far leg, I'm gonna sit it right to his butt right here, and this, we turn this way, this leg is gonna be posted out right here. That way I'm just gonna kind of sit to my butt and roll him over my leg and my body. So I'm gonna go here, right here. Now I still have this thing, if you can come around. I still have this my arm under here for a single. So what I need to do quickly is switch my hips and drive into him and start turning it into a double leg. And then I can get out of the Omoplata and start attacking. So one more time, we're gonna do it kind of real time. So he's got me in the Omoplata. He's stopping me from hopping over. So I'm gonna go right here, boom, boom, switch my hips, and then drive. And that is the Omoplata counter that I like to do.